finish. Finish. How much time do you need? I like that. No, under. You need what? 10 seconds? 15 seconds? Violetta, finished?
Finished.
You're finished, you put your pen down. Yes? Nora? Yeah, okay. Malie?
No.
How much time do you need? Malie, please. Please. No, just look. Just. Okay, just how much time do you need?
Perhaps 2 minutes.
No, 2 minutes it's too much. 50 seconds.
Buena question.
Okay, everybody has finished? Okay, perfect. Who thinks he did the work I asked? Raise your hand. Who thinks he did the work? Raise your hand.
You mean yes? Who said yes?
Just look. Just. You don't understand. Who thinks he did the work I asked?
Who thinks
If
he
you
did the work she asked?
Oh, do you want Russian translation? No. Why are you laughing? I use that all the time. You know, when I work with people with different language, you know, to make sure everybody understands. When I work with 20 people, I don't work with 3 or with 19. I work with 20s, and I want to make sure everybody understands. Okay. So do you want a Russian translation, or it's okay, Dmitry?
No, I don't want.
You don't want. And why? You have plenty of Russian here. I know you have plenty of people who are willing to help you. Okay, you understand what
Yes.
I asked? What did I ask?
Raise your hand if what you did, you think it's that you did task which you asked for.
Okay, fine. Then you raise your hand if you think you did the work I asked. Okay, everybody, fine. Now, we're going to pick up 5 persons. Write it down. Write it down. Okay? Then we're gonna pick up someone who didn't speak yet. Okay, class. Please, can you say what you have written?
I can tell you what I wrote down.
Yes.
I wrote down, yes, I can trust the person using my intuition.
Okay. Yes. An argument. What is it?
I can trust the person using my intuition.
Yes. I can trust a person using my intuition.
Full stop.
Excuse me?
Full stop.
Full stop.
Period.
Okay, you pick up somebody else. You pick up someone.
Somebody else. Ivan.
Yes, because by deciding to trust people who have hurt you, you become a stronger person than before.
Okay, go slowly. All right. Or maybe you can Yes. 10 years. And when you are finished, you become someone else. And at the end, we will listen to everybody. I like to do that, you know, with a group, because of course we cannot work on every hypothesis, every idea, but at least we listen to everybody. Is it okay if we take a break like after 11:30 or a quarter to 12?
Yes.
We go over there, we have a break, and we come back and we continue until 1:30. That's okay? And we take time to discuss about the exercise, about the total morning, okay?
Nora.
Should I go or?
Oh, it depends if it's long or short, but you can do it too. Yes?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, go ahead, yes.
But read out your answer first.
Yes, read your answer first. Yes, good idea.
Yes, because we get hurt by not trusting each other. So stop the circle. We should always trust.
Okay, then you write what you have. No, you write here what you have written in your paper. Okay? Yes. By the way, who has answered a no? Okay, fine. You keep your hands, and after Nora will pick up 2 people with a no.
It's a bit bigger than more.
You see the difference?
Reading glasses.
No, it's worse.
Yeah.
I will read it for
Far side.
This is not green, this is black.
I took the black, especially for you. Black, only black.
He wanted red, though.
Do you like to complain sometimes?
I complain when it's an adequate complaint.
Okay. But you like to complain. I leave that to Oscar, not me. Too tiring for me.
Yes. Would you like to adequate some complaints sometime?
But we go, no, I would like to go on the process of the exercise, you know? You have to make choice. I
No, but
make a
it's,
choice.
it's in, I mean, 7% of all men suffer color blindness. 7% of all men. And color blindness.
Okay.
7%.
But I took a black, then it's fine. Okay.
And that means that when you often go to presentations when they use PowerPoint and they have red letters on the blue background, these
You can see.
7% cannot see that. So PowerPoint made a lot of people in presentations that became worse. I mean, it used to be slideshows with white letters and blue background. But when you fool them around with various programs in PowerPoint, a lot of these things like this.
Can you read it aloud if you don't mind?
Yes. No, I don't mind. Nora. Yes, because we get hurt, because people are not trusting each other, we must stop the circle.
You must stop that.
Circle.
Vicious circle.
Okay? Okay, whose answer no? Okay, Nora, pick up someone we didn't hear yet, or pick up, we have 2 persons. Take 2 persons. Zoran.
My answer is no, because they could do it again.
Oh, okay, I can write. Okay. Zoran.
Should we have vicious circle?
No, because I can
Is
do
it intuitive? We understand that it's the vicious circle. Or the vicious circle.
Okay, Zoran, pick up someone else, please.
You said no?
You said no.
If you could just
Please, raise your hand about.
The mother is not right now.
Ilfa.
We go back on a meditation exercise after the ball, after the break, you know. Okay, Zoran, pick up someone.
Ilfa.
Ilfa. Please, no, Ilfa, you know, yeah, we wait when people are finished to talk. Okay? It's for everybody here. Okay? Fine. Go ahead, please.
I answered no, because when someone hurts you, the trust regresses and doesn't come back the same.
You can come or you want me to do it. Okay, you can do it. Okay, what we're going to do now, you're going to pick one hypothesis, one answer, and you find a problem in this. Okay, but please, we go on internal critique. What does it mean, internal critique? First of all, does it answer the question? Is it clear? Okay, when we go on internal critique, it will be different from maybe what we have done yesterday. It's a kind of evaluation grid of things when you go on internal critique. Is it clear? Does it answer the question? Is it clear? Is it relevant? Is there an argument? Is it weak or strong?
Weak or strong?
Weak argument and strong argument. Okay? And is there a plurality or a repetition of the ideas?
Is there?
I repeat. First of all, does he answer the question? Okay? Is it clear? Clarity, relevance, argument, presence of argument. Is it weak or strong? And is there plurality or repetition of the ideas?
What was the first one? First, answer
Right.
the question.
Does he answer the question? The last one, plurality or repetition of the ideas? Plurality, yes. Okay? Yes, go
I
on.
have a problem with that word,
Which one?
with P.
Weak. Is it weak? Nobody is
after.
Plurality?
weak
Oh,
or strong?
Plurality.
Plurality.
Okay.
Is there only one idea or many ideas?
Thank you.
Okay? That's okay? All right. You know it.
use a plurality and
Plurality or repetition. You know, it's, of course, you can have more, but just to go. Huh? Yeah. Somebody has a problem? Just, yes, Ed?
Plurality meaning is the argument,
Single?
just the argument contains several ideas, or is it really repeating the question?
Yeah, plurality or repetition?
But plurality.
Plurality, which means is there only one or
Two or
more arguments. Remember the instruction, yes or no plus one argument. Okay, plurality. Is there many ideas or only, or is it the same idea repeated many times? You get the point or not? Pluralité in French. Yeah, Daman. Pluralité, yes, you can explain it better than me.
Is in the argument something new?
No.
No, plurality.
Is it single or multiple?
Yes, single or multiples.
But then I still don't understand the combination, plurality, all.
Oh, repetition.
Repetition.
Yes.
Because repetition.
Yeah, but look, if there is a repetition, it can be a repetition of one idea that you repeat in different ways, or it can be also a repetition about different ideas. You know? You understand? You know, people, to make sure everybody understands, and they add, then they add. And instead of getting it simple, you make it confused. You know? Parental repetition. Forget about that. It's okay. You don't understand. You know, just like kind of a grade of evaluation, I say. Okay?
Maybe.
Okay, please. Okay, you pick up one and you criticize it. Okay. You write.
Everybody choose
Yes.
different.
Yeah, you choose one. Everybody choose one. Yes, at least one. Of course, you can find many, but at least you choose one. What Oscar did yesterday, you know, just everybody do it and we do it on the wall. Here it's very difficult because we cannot put many stuffs here, you know, then I prefer, but you do it like this. Yes, Ella?
Yeah, I have a question
Yes?
about what are the criteria for a weak argument and a strong argument? You use these two.
Okay, you will see. Okay, it can be interesting just to see. Maybe later we talk about that. You know, it was kind of a grade, you know, just like it. For you, is it strong argument or weak argument? You know, you understand the idea of strong and weak, faible et fort.
That's what I wanted to know. What are the criteria?
Just for you, just for you, just yeah. You know, that's you decide by yourself. Okay, and we see with a group. Did you see here? I work with a group, and a lot with a group. Okay, and we let the group decide. Okay. Okay. Everybody has found at least one. Menush, you found one? Yes, you found one? Yes, at least one. Okay, everybody found one? Julia? No? Oh, everybody is great for you. Find at least one. You know, there is this idea that everything can be problematized. Must be the idea of Hegel or Kant. You know, he says that everything can be problematized. And you find one person. Find one. Find problems, you know. There is always a problem somewhere. To reconcile it with problems. Okay? Okay, first of all, we're going to take... who didn't find any problem? Raise your hand. Oh. Okay, how come did you... What was your problem to find the problem? Yes, Violetta. You know Violetta. Maybe you can come here if you don't hear.
Because I was in my work.
Okay, yes. Be
I heard
regardless.
the half. I heard the half of your position. Yeah.
But look, I kill half of a person. You kill him or you didn't kill him? Okay, it was a joke.
No?
If you kill half a person, do you kill him or you don't?
No, but you know, I like this half of it.
Half.
You know, yes.
What you were talking about.
No,
You were
please,
talking to-
Violetta,
you were talking to us, and I was listening to you.
Violetta. You know, just because you said half of it. I said, you know, just to hear your own voice. You see? Half of it. You hear half of it. You hear me or you didn't hear me. It's easy, but don't answer. You get the point?
Yes.
That's perfect. That's enough. Okay, Fana, what was your problem to find the problem?
Actually,
Yes?
I have solved the problem. I have found the problem now. My problem initially was time restraint.
Yes.
So, just as you were talking to Violetta, I solved it.
Okay, okay.
I have a problem now with it.
You have a problem?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Then everybody, then we're gonna go. Okay, we're gonna go with you as you didn't talk much. Okay. Which one?
Well, I started from the beginning. So
Class.
I found the problem with
Class?
class.
Class? Yes, I pronounced correctly. Yes. Okay.
Um,
Go ahead.
My problem was with the operation of intuition. Does intuition not imply unconscious operation?
Okay, then what you want to do? Is it an objection you want to make? What
Yes.
do you want to do?
I want
Objection, question?
I want to object in the form of question.
You want to object in a formal question.
In a
Either you make a question, either you have an objection.
I have to choose. Okay, I want to object.
Okay, go with your objection.
Intuition implies unconscious operation.
Class, did you understand?
Yes.
Can you repeat what he has said?
That intuition implies unconscious awareness.
Yes, correct? Okay. Do you take this as an objection? Yes or no? And I'm not asking you to agree or to disagree. Just for you, does it make sense or it doesn't make sense? Is objection.
It makes sense.
It makes sense? You accept it?
Yes.
Okay. What we're gonna do, we don't have any, maybe we should need a red.
I have one.
Oh, great.
Also have a green one in class. Or a blue.
Okay, Fana, can you write your objection?
Here?
Yes, yes, we should have needed more space.
No,
Okay, I know what we're going to do. Yes, yes.
Again, as I said, sorry, I accept the objection, but it doesn't change my answer.
No, it doesn't. Okay.
For my answer.
No, class. Okay, we see. Okay. What we're going to do? Okay, we're going to do like this. 1, 2, 3, and maybe 150. Class. Okay, let's go with. Okay, your objection. What is it? You just make it.
Yeah.
What is the main concept of your objection? Let's go like this.
I have it here.
Yeah.
The main concept.
With red.
Yes.
Ah, yes, okay, good. Yes.
Intuition. Implies
Yes.
unconscious. You added actually
No, please.
awareness.
No, don't
I
do
said
that.
awareness,
No,
yeah.
no,
I think that's a better formulation actually.
Yes. No.
Okay.
Please go with what you have said.
Unconscious, I think I said unconscious operation.
Implies unconscious operation. You know, as soon as everybody understands it, we take that. Okay?
But if you want to change it to awareness, would you oppose that?
No, I won't oppose that. No, but you know what I just want, I don't want to go on just to spend time on this.
Okay, I think.
Yeah, you prefer awareness?
Yeah, I
Okay.
prefer awareness.
Okay, it's all right.
It's a better
Yeah.
formulation.
Just to make sure everybody understands. What I want is everybody understands. Okay? Intuition implies unconscious awareness. Okay, but class, you said you take it as an objection. But for you, does it change something or you still maintain what you have said?
I maintain that.
You maintain that. Okay, we have a problem now. You see, because either class accept your objection, that means that we have a problem really with that, but he said, no, it's okay, but I maintain it. Then, can you go further on your idea, on your objection now? Yes?
I don't see why it matters whether you should trust a person or not if you are operating at an unconscious level. So whether you should trust a person or not is not relevant.
Okay. Class, did you hear what Fana says?
Yes.
You take it or not?
I don't think this is a contradiction.
For you, it's not a contradiction. Then for you, your argument is still relevant, right? Okay, but we check with the others. You know, I won't say what I think about it. We don't care about it. I don't take said, no, how can I say that in English? Who thinks we can accept class argument like this? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3 people.
Who accept?
Yes. Because you know, did you see the problem? Class said, I don't see any contradiction in what Fana said. And he said, I maintain it like this. I'm correct or not?
Correct.
Yes. Okay? But we have to check, you know, with the others. I don't want a debate between Fana and class. I want everybody have a judgment on it. Okay? You decide. Okay? Who thinks who still can accept class argument? Raise your hand.
Don't have.
Accept.
Accept. 1, 2, 3, 4 people who think we cannot accept it because of this objection. Okay, class, you become someone.
Raise your hands.
Raise your hand, please.
It's because of his objection.
Yes, because of his.
With his objection.
Because of his
objection
objection.
is irrelevant.
We see if we have another one after this. Okay? But first of all, we go with his first objection. Okay? Raise your hand. Oh, nobody?
No,
Okay, then.
Again, the question.
I'm not sure.
For this raising of the hands.
Wow, it's me, I'm getting confused. Maybe I need a coffee now. Okay.
And where is the coffee? No, no coffee. Sorry. That I heard perfectly.
So you heard that okay, yes?
Yes.
Maybe it's still I'm going to have a breakdown now.
Excuse me for interrupting.
It's alright, it's okay. 1 more minute, please, and after we can go already for. It's alright. Okay, look, class said, yes, I can trust a person using my intuition. Fana made an objection. Intuition implies unconscious awareness. Okay? And he explains. Fana said it's not relevant. And he explains. Class understood what Fana said. But he said, I don't see any contradiction. That means I maintain what I said. I'm correct or not?
Yeah, his objection is irrelevant.
Yes, it's irrelevant. Okay? And I'm asking to the group, I'm asking you to make a judgment on it. Do you accept Fana's objection, yes or no? Oh, it's so easy like this. Okay, who accept Fana's objection? Raise your hand. You raise your hand like this. Either you accept it, either you don't accept it. Okay, nobody who refuse it, raise your hand. Okay, you see? Easy. Okay, do you still want to maintain it? But you have to go further. I'm asking you, you have, to go deeper in the objection, because everybody refuses it. What do you want to do? To maintain your objection, but with another argument? Or you said, okay, I leave it. It's up to you.
Okay, yeah, I want to go further.
Okay. Last try. Go ahead.
If this point is relevant about intuition working at the unconscious level, how can you be sure that you can trust a person, as is stated in the first, in the beginning, with a yes, clear yes?
Do you think it's clear what you said?
No.
But look, you're talking to who? To yourself or to everybody here?
I'm talking to everybody here.
Okay, but if it's not clear, what will happen?
People will not understand what I'm saying.
Exactly. And that's something you're familiar or is something new for you?
I'm familiar with it.
You're familiar. How do you call a person who is familiar with this kind of things? Just one concept.
How do you call a person that's familiar with the idea of
Yes.
not making.
How do you call a person? You know, we can go that again, can do it for all day. Yes.
Unclear.
Unclear. But you know what I like is to ask if somebody else has another concept to propose. It's okay?
Yes.
Okay. Somebody has another concept to propose to Fana. Okay, please. Oh, you know what? We have two hands. We take both. In five.
Okay. The thing about this, about Klaus's answer, is that it is political.
No. I want to know concept for Fana. You see, but where you were with you or with the others?
Here.
Okay.
With me. Yeah.
You see, here I'm asking you to be present now, to be with the others. Yes? Okay. We have Alexei, one concept.
Complicated.
Complicated. Do you take it also?
Yes.
Are you a complicated person?
Yes.
Okay. Why? No, don't answer. No, I don't need the answer. I don't care about the answer. For you, you see, unclear, complicated. You know, for me it's enough. You know, when you said you recognize it, that's enough. Why will I say, okay, well, so it's okay, you take it, you go with it, and you think about it. What's the problem with being complicated? Yes. But that's probably for another moment, okay? Because I would like to continue the exercise. Okay? And you know, it's how we know each other, you know, how we know the functioning of people with this kind of exercise. Can be useful in schools, but when you work in company, it can be very useful to know with who you deal with. Okay? Complicated. All right, we come back. Then, do you still maintain your objection or you forget about it? I like this hour. I count until 3.
Yes, I'll maintain.
Okay, go ahead. Make it clear this time.
There is a contradiction in terms.
Okay, contradiction in terms. Contradiction between what and what?
Why one should be sure about whether to trust someone and using intuition.
Okay, for you there is a contradiction. Okay? Who sees the contradiction here?
I didn't hear it.
You didn't hear? Repeat this.
I see a contradiction in why someone should be certain about whether to trust someone and using intuition for that certainty.
I still don't understand.
Okay, you still don't understand. Okay, no. Okay, who understood what Fana said? Not much. Okay, pick up someone. Jacoba, pick up someone.
Silke.
Silke.
For him,
What did he say?
for him, it's the contradiction is between trusting, which I think for him is a rational thing.
Oh no, please,
Okay.
don't add anything.
No guesses.
I'm asking Silke to be with Fana, not with Silke.
Okay, what he literally said is it's a contradiction, trust someone and using your intuition for that.
Fana, you take it?
Yes.
It's okay? Jacoba, you understand or not? Okay. Now, who who agrees with Fana? Raise your hand. Who agrees with Fana? Raise your hand. 3, 4, 5%. Who doesn't? Who disagrees with Fana? Raise your hand. Okay, most of the people. Okay. Then, as it was the last try, we forget about your objection. It's okay? Because you know, I don't want to go on and to go on. Okay. But as we are with class, I'm going to ask who else has another objection or question for class? Wow, plenty of people. Wonderful. Class, pick up someone. We didn't hear much.
Marie.
Marie. Marie, question or objection?
Objection.
Objection, go ahead.
I think it is a kind of linguistic things in your sentence, because
but please, no. Marie, please. But why is it? Do you know what is an objection?
Yes.
Yes.
Using my intuition.
Yes.
Has a kind of contradiction.
Oh, you see a contradiction.
Yes.
What is a contradiction you see?
Yes.
Then makes it as an objection.
Yes. I think you can replace it with another sentence.
Yeah, but look, Marie, I'm not asking you this. You said you have an objection to class, right?
Yes.
You said you see a contradiction in using my intuition.
Yes.
Yes? Okay, make your objection.
How somebody can use some else intuition.
Is it an objection or a question?
I think.
No, please, no, it's not you think. Is it an objection or a question?
Maybe.
No, not maybe. You know, no, that's simple. You know, stop thinking in order to make you
Question.
think. Question, objection. You know, question, it finishes with that. Or maybe with that in Spanish.
Yes.
That's it. Question or objection.
Question.
Question. Go ahead with your question. What is the first word of your question?
Yes.
First word.
Because I.
No, Malie, please. What is the first word of your question?
How somebody.
First word. First word.
How.
Premier mot.
How.
How. Okay. Go ahead now.
How somebody can using your intuition.
How can somebody use your
else.
intuition?
You use yours.
Okay, oh, Ivan, please. Okay, just to make sure. Class, did you understand her question?
No.
Marie, I will ask you to reformulate your question in order for class to understand. Okay? Go ahead, please.
I can replace it.
You can replace it.
No.
Do you want me to? Do you want some help?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, somebody.
If you want
Yes.
some, no, please, Marie. If you want some help, we'll ask someone. If you don't want any help, we forget
Yes.
about your question.
Yes, I need.
You need help. You
Yes.
said, can somebody help me?
Can somebody help me?
Okay, good. You pick up someone.
Ivan.
Ivan.
So if I understand Malika's question correctly, she meant how can somebody else, other than you, use your intuition?
Marie,
Yes,
you take it?
he's right.
Okay, what can you say to somebody who helps you? Yeah.
Yes.
You know.
Look, no, but you know, I know, yes, but look, did Ivan help you, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
if he helped you,
Yes.
what can you say to someone who helps you?
Thank you.
Thank you. It was difficult, my question, or it was easy?
I didn't get you.
It was easy or?
Yes, yes.
Yes, but look, it's
Sure.
fun, you know?
Yes.
But you know, you can say, yeah, you know, maybe I'm beginning to bother you, but just try to think why I insist on that, you know? Either you work with any kind of human beings, you know, you have to recognize him, you know? Even if he's not your friend, even if you hate him, did the work for you, he helps you to reformulate, then you'll say thank you. You know?
Yes.
But you see, it was hard to say.
Yes.
Just think about that. Okay? What? No, but you know, of course, it's just tools I show you, you know, but how to use, you know? Okay? Then fine. Now, class, did you understand now the question reformulated by Ivan?
Yeah, question is out of order.
Yes, you understood?
The question is out of order.
Yes, but please, did you understand first the question?
Yes.
Okay? Why do you say it's out of order?
It doesn't address my quote.
Okay, it doesn't address your quote. Oh, the question here, is it just a question to have a discussion, or is it a question to address the quote? And that's interesting, you know, when we work on question. What is a relevant question? Is it just a question to have a discussion with the other, or is it a question that will make you think? And the question here has to make class think about what he has said. Marie, you understand?
Yes, yes.
Yeah? Okay? It's okay for everybody, or somebody has a problem with this?
With the question or with the...
Yes, you see, class say the question has nothing to do with what I said.
Okay, do we need to agree with that part?
No, just to understand.
Yes,
I want more like agreement or disagreement. I want understanding here, you know?
Understanding.
Yeah. You see the difference? Yes. For me, opinions, okay, we have that all the time. I agree, I disagree. No, here, just to make sure. Here, if we find a problem, that means that it addressed directly to what we have here. Okay? You see, Maria, understand?
Yes.
Okay, then do you think we can accept your question or not?
I accept my question.
No, you see, Malia,
Yes.
not you. But here, everybody, do you think we can accept it or not?
No, they don't accept my question.
You have a problem of English?
No.
Est-ce que vous pouvez le dire en français? Est-ce que vous comprenez le problème, Malia?
Oui.
Est-ce que votre question, pour vous, c'est une question qui va aider classes à aller en profondeur, ou c'est juste une question comme ça?
Je crois, non, ça veut dire, ils ne sont pas d'accord avec moi.
Non. Oui.
Avec cette question.
Avec cette question.
Yes.
Ok, mais vous comprenez pourquoi ou pas?
Oui, j'ai compris.
Vous comprenez? Ok. Excuse me, I did that because I saw that there was really a language problem.
No,
here.
no, I understand.
Just, okay,
Yes.
just to make sure it's clear. Okay? Okay, but we see, can we take somebody else as another, see a problem in class? Yes? Okay, fine. Class, pick up someone, please. Question or objection?
Objection.
Objection, go ahead, please.
It's not clear because the concept intuition is not clear. It's very blurry.
Okay.
We don't know what it is.
Okay, fine. Then, class, what I will ask you, can you precise what you mean with using my intuition? Can you be more precisely? Maybe you can give an example. Yes, I can trust a person using my intuition.
Since trust is not a quality that can be objectivized, my feeling, which is what I use, which I base my trust on, is something which is a result of my unconscious and conscious evaluation and judgment, and that summarizes into my intuition. So, if my intuition tells me that I should trust this person, I trust this person.
Okay. Ed, did you understand? Not at all. Okay, class, but I will ask you what you have said in many words to do it in one short sentence to make it clear for everybody. Can you do that, please?
I thought that my first statement was short enough, namely the fact that...
No, please, I don't want to hear that. You know, Ed saw a problem with your word intuition. What you have said, he said it's still not clear, which means you cannot discuss with him, you know, he doesn't understand. Try to make it short.
Okay.
Short sentence. Short sentence. Go ahead.
I trust the person using my senses.
Okay. Ed, you understand or not yet?
What you just said, I understand.
Okay, now you understand. Then you replace intuition by what?
My senses.
Senses? Okay. Like this? It's all right?
Yes.
Okay. Ed, yes, I can trust the person using my senses. Okay, do you still see a problem or it's all right?
There's a new problem. So, but your problem is solved.
Okay, which other problem do you think?
I have no idea how it works. You use your senses, and based on using your senses, impulses you get using your senses.
Yes, but look, Ed, is it because you don't agree with him or is it because for you it doesn't make any sense? And you know, I insist on that. Is it because you really still see a problem is what he says, then for you it doesn't make sense, or is it because you have another idea?
In a way, it makes sense, yes.
Okay, in a way, you know, even if you don't agree, okay?
Yeah.
But at least, okay, you can accept it. Okay, we go on disagreement later if we have time. But first, then you don't still see a problem. Okay? Just maybe a last one and we go for a break. Yes. Okay, just one more class. Take one. Alexi, go ahead. Question or objection?
Objection.
Objection.
The class's statement is irrelevant because he substitutes should by can.
Yes. I got you.
And look, Alexei, what is the difference between should and can for you?
The difference for me is that can is the capacity to do something.
Capacity that you will oppose to what?
To rightful behavior, yes, to ideal behavior.
Okay, yes.
Desired behavior. Yeah. Okay, capacity versus desire.
Okay, you see, oppose two concepts to make it clear. Problem here? No?
No, only my hands.
Ah, what is it? Yes?
You want coffee?
Oh, you want coffee?
No, I left my gloves anywhere.
Oh, okay.
The only gloves I have, and I need gloves.
Okay,
Sorry.
Yes. Okay, we just see after we stop. Okay, you see two concepts and it makes it clear. Okay? Class, do you accept this?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, you change. And should. And you know, Alexei makes a difference. Of course, maybe you change a word, but it's the same, then we accept it. But Alexei said no, there is a difference between should and can. Okay, then, now, and I go back to the group, can we accept class sentence or not? Because it changed the word. It changed should by can, which is different. Okay? Then who thinks we can we can still accept class, no, okay, I'm going to make it more simple. Who agrees with Alexei? Raise your hand. Okay, very good. Then, for now, just like this, about problems, okay? That's okay with everybody?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now I propose you to stop.
Oh.
We go for a break and we come back. Violetta, I can take my car and can drive you by car. Okay?
Can we leave our stuff here? Or?
Yes, I close it.